Good morning and welcome back. Today's video is especially important if you're over 60 or if you care for someone who is. What you eat in the morning can quietly determine how your body feels for the rest of the day. Energy, digestion, joint comfort, blood sugar, even memory all begin with breakfast. And yet, this is the meal most seniors are confused about or skip entirely. Many older adults wake up tired, stiff, or foggy, and they assume it is just part of aging. But very often, it's not age. It's the wrong breakfast or no breakfast at all. Over the years, advice has changed so much that people no longer know what to trust. One day carbs are bad. The next day fat is the enemy. Eggs are dangerous. Then eggs are healthy again. Cereal is marketed as heart healthy. Yet blood sugar numbers keep rising. The truth is simple. As we age, our bodies do not need more food. They need smarter food. They need meals that are easy to digest, rich in nutrients, supportive of muscles and joints, gentle on blood sugar, and realistic to prepare every morning without stress. Today, I want to walk you through healthy breakfast ideas that are practical, affordable, and specifically suited for seniors living in the United States. These are not extreme diets. These are not trendy rules. These are habits that support healthy aging, independence, and daily comfort. Let's start with one of the most common breakfasts seniors eat, but often eat the wrong way: oatmeal. Oatmeal has been around for generations, and when prepared properly, it is one of the best foods for heart health and digestion. The problem is not oatmeal itself. The problem is the instant packets filled with sugar, artificial flavors, and excess sodium. Those can spike blood sugar and increase inflammation. A better approach is to use plain rolled oats. Cook them slowly with water or unsweetened almond milk. Then, instead of sugar, add natural helpers. A small handful of blueberries or strawberries provides antioxidants that support brain and eye health. A tablespoon of ground flaxseed supports digestion and helps reduce cholesterol. A sprinkle of cinnamon improves blood sugar response and adds flavor without sugar. This kind of oatmeal keeps you full, supports the heart, and is gentle on the stomach. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, pairing oats with protein later in the meal can help slow sugar absorption. The goal is balance, not restriction. Now let's talk about eggs, one of the most misunderstood foods for seniors. Eggs are actually one of the most complete sources of nutrition available. They contain high-quality protein that helps maintain muscle mass, vitamin B12 for nerve health, and choline, which supports memory and brain function. As we age, muscle loss becomes a serious concern, and protein in the morning helps slow that process. The key with eggs is preparation. Frying eggs in butter with white toast is not ideal. Instead, gently scramble or boil 1 or 2 eggs and pair them with vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, onions, or bell peppers. Use olive oil instead of margarine. This combination provides protein, fiber, and healthy fats that support joints and energy. For most seniors, 1 egg a day is safe and beneficial, but if you have specific cholesterol concerns, follow your doctor's advice. Eggs paired with vegetables are far more supportive than eggs paired with refined bread. Another popular breakfast is avocado toast. Avocados are rich in potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure, and healthy fats that protect the heart and brain. But the bread matters. White bread causes blood sugar spikes and offers little nutrition. Whole grain or sprouted bread is a better option for seniors. Mash avocado with a little lemon juice and black pepper. Avoid heavy salt. If you want added protein, include a boiled egg or a small amount of cottage cheese. This breakfast is filling without being heavy and is especially helpful for seniors dealing with inflammation or cardiovascular concerns. Gut health becomes more important with age, and that's where yogurt can be helpful. Greek yogurt, in particular, provides probiotics for digestion, calcium for bones, and protein for muscle maintenance. But again, sugar is the enemy. Flavored yogurts often contain more sugar than dessert. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add fresh fruit like berries. A few walnuts or almonds add healthy fats that support the brain. If you prefer sweetness, a small drizzle of raw honey is enough. This breakfast supports digestion, immunity, and bone strength. For those who are lactose intolerant, lactose-free or plant-based yogurts with added protein are good alternatives. Some mornings, especially for seniors, appetite is low. On those days, forcing a heavy meal is not helpful. A simple smoothie can be a gentle way to nourish the body. A senior-friendly smoothie should be simple, not overloaded with fruit. Use unsweetened almond milk, half a banana, a handful of berries, and a spoon of peanut butter or protein powder. Blend slowly and drink calmly. This supports energy, hydration, and blood sugar balance without overwhelming digestion. Avoid fruit juice, which causes sugar spikes. Cottage cheese is another overlooked breakfast option. It is high in protein, easy to chew, and supports muscle maintenance, which is critical after 60. Pair cottage cheese with pineapple, peaches, or berries. This combination provides protein and natural sweetness without excessive sugar. Choose low-sodium versions if blood pressure is a concern. Now let's talk about something most seniors completely ignore in the morning, yet it may be the most important part of breakfast. Hydration. Many older adults wake up already dehydrated, which leads to stiffness, fatigue, dizziness, and constipation. Before eating anything, drink a glass of warm water. Adding a slice of lemon is optional. This simple habit supports digestion, circulation, and joint lubrication. After hydrating, eat a light protein-based breakfast. Hydration alone can improve morning energy more than coffee. There are also common breakfast mistakes that quietly harm senior health. Sugary cereals are one of the biggest problems. They spike blood sugar and increase inflammation. Pastries, donuts, and muffins may feel comforting, but they provide empty calories and worsen fatigue. Skipping breakfast entirely can lead to low energy, poor concentration, and overeating later. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can irritate digestion and raise stress hormones. Timing matters too. Ideally, seniors should eat breakfast within 1 hour of waking. This helps regulate blood sugar, supports metabolism, and helps medications work more effectively. If you take morning medications, always follow your doctor's instructions. Healthy aging is not about perfection. It's about consistency. A simple, balanced breakfast eaten regularly supports heart health, brain clarity, muscle strength, joint comfort, and independence. Small choices made every morning add up over time. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone you care about. Subscribe to the channel for more practical senior health guidance every week. Aging does not mean losing strength. It means learning how to support your body wisely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.